Welcome to a product introduction video from Telemus Inc. In this video we will present Talon Virtual Pulse Analyzer, VPA. This is ELINT analysis software. Talon VPA provides advanced tools for ELINT analysts and is used around the world by EW organizations. In this video we're going to look at the 7 key features of Talon VPA. Let's first look at the buffer browser. Once a PW file is loaded by the analyst, the PWs are opened into a buffer browser. You can open up to 10 PW files at any time and each gets its own buffer browser. In the buffer browser, you can view all the PWs in the Pulse Navigator, which is showing amplitude versus pulse number and a zoomed-in display in the Navigator zoom window. As you change the zoom level in the Pulse Navigator, the Navigator zoom will update. One key aspect of the buffer browser is the analysis stack. Here, any changes applied to the data will be indicated by the software. Changes are known as transforms. We are now adding a transform to delete PWs with an amplitude of less than or equal to -60 dBm. We can see the effect it has on the PWs as it changes it from 5,000 to 3,407 PWs available. We're now going to look at the XY charts feature of Talon VPA. With the buffer browser open, we can now add XY charts to the analysis. Each display consists of stacked XY charts all locked to a common x-axis. The software supports multiple XY charts per buffer browser. The analyst can pick the parameters when opening the XY chart and right-click on the chart to make quick changes. When the analyst selects PWs in one window, they get highlighted on all open windows. A selection of PWs can be added to its own cluster via a simple right-click menu. The new cluster will have its own color code and a transform will be added to the analysis stack. Here we see the analyst has clustered 2 groups of PWs based on different unique frequencies. Each cluster has a unique color code and an entry in the analysis stack. For every new cluster, the software separates the PWs by color and adds a transform to the analysis stack. You can also add markers to the XY charts. There is an A and a B, and the software will give you the delta between the two. The XY charts also have zoom controls, and the analyst can zoom in to a set of data and all the charts will update. We are now going to look at the histograms in Talon VPA. A histogram can be added showing the observations per PW parameter for all the PWs in the buffer browser or a selected cluster. The software supports multiple histograms per buffer browser. Where the histogram shows the PWs in a cluster, it will use the same color code. Next up is the auto parameter estimation tool. The auto parameter estimation tool provides statistical values of all the key parameters for the selected cluster. The auto parameter estimation tool can also test against an emitter threat library. In the example shown, one cluster matched the selected library and it resulted in a hostile color on the emitter track. The auto parameter estimation tool output could be saved to a file or sent to a TCP server. We are now going to look at analyst notes. The analyst notes window is linked to the PW file that is opened. The analyst can add comments and text into this window, and these will be saved back to the PW file when it is closed. Every time the Analyst Notes window is opened, a new timestamp is added by the software. Now we're going to look at the PW text listing window of Talon VPA. In the PW text listing, we see all the PWs listed in the pulse number order with the associated color code and the columns representing different PW parameters. The analyst can also select PWs on the text listing window, and the corresponding PWs will be highlighted on all the open windows. Finally, we're going to look at the Pulse Viewer window. The Pulse Viewer window of Talon VPA enables us to look at the intrapulse data, and we do this with a PW file containing digitizer sample data. When the software detects the file being opened has digitizer data, then the Pulse Viewer window is enabled. When the Pulse Viewer window is opened, it will display the FFT and graph showing the samples, the AMOP, the PMOP, and the FMOP of the selected pulse. The analyst can select to view one or more pulses either overlaid or averaged. The Pulse Viewer can detect the IMOP type. In this example, the Pulse Viewer has detected Barker 3, and the software provides the sequence and the chip interval automatically. Telemus Inc are finalizing the ability of the Pulse Viewer to automatically detect the UMOP characteristics. Contact us for more details on this new feature. This now concludes the introduction to Talon VPA. Please feel free to contact us at info@telemusinc.com for more details. Many thanks for watching.